Robert with Cascade Transmission Parts here today, just to give you a rundown on the various differences in the 700 and 4L60E Sunshells, as well as how to identify wear patterns and if they're bad or not. This is going to cover everything from 1982 and up. So this will include the 700R4, the 4L60 and 4L65Es, and the 4L70Es for your 06 and up applications. You'll see some descriptions of washer and bearing type. You see the notches in the bottom of this. There's 4 of them, and it takes this 4-tab washer that drops in there. All your 700R4s are going to have that. Your 4L60Es are going to have that from 1993 through 1998, and even in a handful of models after 98, we're still washer type. Bearing type shell. You'll see the shells are virtually identical, except this one has a smooth bottom to it. I'm going to pull one more out here. This is a washer type. This is the bottom face that faces the back of the tranny, but it's still washer type. And what the manufacturer has done is gone through and heat treated the splines. These splines are the #1 failure point, both for wearing out inside and this edge here. When you're inspecting your original shell, if you watch, if you have a scribe or a pick or a fingernail and you have a line that you catch on right there, that's an uneven wear pattern where it's actually under stress. Some of them can even, when you really look at them close, they can be hairline fractures, and those typically lead to this entire snout right here, or bottom spline section, ripping out and spinning off of the shell. Oftentimes when you lose low and reverse, that's the only thing wrong with your transmission, is those splines have ripped off. Extremely common, especially if you guys are towing and you lose that. More than likely that's your issue. First and foremost, on your rebuild, be sure to inspect your splines. If it looks fine and you're comfortable running it, that's up to you. I'm just surprised at how many people do a rebuild and put all that time and effort into it and they don't replace the shell.